Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Located in one of Melbourne's most exclusive suburbs, Toorak Penthouse by Hartley is a study in spatial refinement and restrained luxury. Designed for clients seeking something more enduring than trends, the result is a home that feels both substantial and sophisticated. Once a casual residence defined by pale timbers and light materials, Toorak Penthouse now unfolds as a sequence of richly layered spaces. Its transformation was guided by a clear and confident brief: to create a home that feels anchored, elevated, and deeply personal. The project began by addressing the apartment's spatial shortcomings. Though generous, the original layout lacked cohesion. Therefore, a series of thoughtfully implemented, though modest, adjustments has reconnected the floor plan and introduced a new sense of flow.